On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to sell a digital product to make money from home as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the platforms where you can get free digital products to sell and the best method that you can use to promote the digital product so that you can get many people to purchase it for you to make money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to come on this website, allfreestore.com. In my previous video, I showed you this website, how you can find a lot of different digital products to download and sell at your own price. You can see they have a lot of different digital products. In this case, we are going to be using ebooks. So click on ebooks. Once you click on it, you can be able to download ebooks and then sell them at your own price. In my previous video, I showed you step by step. I will put the link of that video in my description, so when you check, you get to know everything. So I showed you everything, how you can download an ebook on this platform. You can see these are all ebooks that you can download and sell at your own price. There's no copyright strike. These are free digital products that you can download and resell them at any amount that you want. You can see the category. They even have video courses that you can download and sell at your own price. You can see video courses. In my previous video, I showed you everything. All that you need to do is that you have to download any of the product that you want so that you can begin selling it. Once you download the kind of digital product that you want, the next step is that you have to find a platform where you can sell it to make money. I showed you Gumroad. I also showed you seller.co. So any of the platforms that you want, you can choose. On Gumroad, I showed you step by step on how to upload and sell your ebook. You can see this is an ebook. This is the book that I uploaded on Gumroad. I showed you step by step on how you can upload and sell your product on this platform. This is the book that I uploaded in the previous video. You can see this is the book. Now once you have uploaded your book onto Gumroad, the next step is that you have to sell it. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link of the ebook that you are selling, the next step is that you have to drive traffic so that you can get people to click on your link and then purchase the ebook so that you can be making money from home. The most important aspect of selling a product is the traffic source. If you don't get many people to see the product that you are selling, it does not matter how good the product is. If people do not see it, they can't make the purchase for you to make money. So you have to always make sure that even if you have a quality product, you have to find people to click on the link of the product so that they can make a purchase for you to make money. This is exactly what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the best platform where you can promote your product for free without paying for anything. And the best part is that there are many people on this platform. So anytime you promote your digital product on this platform, you are going to be getting many sales. The platform that we are going to be using to promote our digital product is Quora.com. Quora is a question and answer website where you can find answers to questions on topics that you want. You can also provide answers to questions that you have knowledge about. So anything that you know, you can come on this website and then find questions related to the topic that you know so that you can answer them. If you also want access to specific questions on any topic, you can come on this platform and then find the answers. For example, you can see right here, what is the instant remedy for high blood pressure? If you have knowledge about this question, you can click right here, answer, so that you can provide your answer. If you also want an answer to this question, you can see there are about 86 different answers. You have to click on them so that you can read and then find the answer. So you can read about answers. You can also answer questions on this platform. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be answering questions related to the ebook that we are selling so that we can be able to insert the link of our ebook and then get people to click on it so that they can make a purchase for us to make money. If you click right here, answer. Once you click on answer and then insert your link, Quora is not going to promote your answer. Sometimes they might even block you. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use a simple trick so that we can get Quora to promote our answers for us to get many people to read it and then click on the link of the ebook that you are selling. What you have to do is that you have to create a space. So click right here, create space. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to give a name to your space. In this case, I'm going to give it a name related to the book that I'm promoting. So The book is under Make Money Online niche. So what you have to do is that you have to give a name to your space so that it can match the niche of your ebook. Or if you are selling online courses, you must name your space to match that particular niche that you have selected. In this case, the niche is Make Money Online. So let's type something like online side hustle business ideas. Something like this. You can see the name is available. The next step is that you have to write a description. So what you have to do is that you have to take the time and then write a description. The description, you don't need to write much information. All that you need to do is that you have to write some few keywords. So you can type something like, this space is about how to make money from home. Something like this. Just type something like this. You have to write a brief description like this. Once that is done, click right here, create. Once you click on create, the space has been created. You can click right here, copy, so that you can copy the link of your space. Once you copy the link of your space, you can be able to invite people to join your space. So you are going to invite them to be contributors of your space. You can copy it and then share it on your social media platforms. In this case, we are going to leave it like this. Once that is done, your space has been created. As you can see, your space has been created. You can see this is the name of your space. Now what you have to do is that you have to make it look professional. So you have to upload an image and then design your space well, so that when you get people to visit it, they will see that it is a very professional space which they can join and then contribute. So we are going to design our space well. To design it, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. You can see settings, click on it. Once you click on it, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see icon. Click right here, edit icon. Once you click on it, you can be able to upload an image. So let's select this image. Once you select your image, click on open. You can see the image is uploading. The next step is that you have to select a cover image. So click right here, edit cover image. Once you click on it, select the same image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. You can see that has been done. The images have been uploaded. So now once you have uploaded your images, the next step is that you have to go back to your space. So let's go back to the space so that we can see how it looks like. You can see it now looks professional. Now the next step is that you have to post content onto your space. So you have to write an article about side hustle business so that you can get people to read it. To write an article, you need to use ChatGPT, but if you want, you can also write an article by yourself. So you have to come on ChatGPT and then instruct it to write an article for you. So let's type a prompt like, write an article about side hustle business for beginners. Something like this, side hustle business for beginners. Once you type your prompt, click right here, send, so that it can write an article for you. You can see it is writing an article. You can see everything. It is going to write a full article for you. You can see everything. You can see it is writing the article. Just wait for it to write everything for you. As you can see, it is writing everything. So just wait for it. It will write a full article for you. As you can see, it has written a full article. You can see it right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to publish this article onto your space. So highlight and copy the title of your article. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then click right here. You can see add question. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see create post. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see right here everyone. Click on it. Once you click on it, select your space. The space that you created, select it. Once you select it, the next step is that you have to paste the title of your article here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that highlight it and then click on this letter. Once you click on it, make it bold. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to come back and then copy the entire article. Highlight the entire article. Highlight everything. Once you highlight it, copy it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to come back, paste your article right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you paste your article, the next step is that you have to insert call to actions so that you can be able to insert the link of your ebook. You can type your call to action in any part of the article that you want. You can type your call to action like this: discover how to start a successful side hustle business. So let's start business. business. Just type it like this. Discover how to start a successful side hustle business. Once that is done, you have to insert the link of your ebook. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on Gumroad. Once you come back on Gumroad, you can see this is the link of your ebook. Click on it so that you can copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, you can see this icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, paste the link of your ebook. Once that is done, click right here, add. As you can see, that has been done. You can see right here the link of your ebook has been inserted. Now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy your call to action so that you can insert it in many parts of the article. So highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, scroll down to any part of the article that you want. So for example, let's create space here. Once you create the space, you can paste your call to action right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is the ebook that you are selling. You can see it right here. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you have to create another space, insert the link of your ebook. You can see it right here. This is your call to action. Insert it. Once that is done, scroll down. Once you scroll down, the next step is that you have to create space right here. Insert your call to action. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down again. Create a space here. Once that is done, paste your call to action right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert it at the bottom. So let's insert it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have inserted the link of your ebook in your article, the next step is that you have to publish your post. So click right here, post, so that you can publish it onto Quora. Once you publish it, you can see it is now live in your space. You can see the article has been published into your space. You can see it right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to get people to read this article and then purchase the book so that you can be making money. To get people to read the article, what you have to do is that you have to go on Quora and then answer questions related to your book so that you can get people to purchase your ebook. So come back on Quora. Let's come back on the Quora homepage. Click right here, home. Once you come on Quora homepage, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, answer. Once you click on answer, the next step is that you have to find questions related to your ebook. You can see these are all questions. What business do Nigerians do in Sierra Leone? If you have an answer, you can do that. You can see a whole lot of different questions. So now what we want to do is that we want to answer questions related to how to make money online. So you can search for those questions right here. Search for it. So let's search for side hustle. Search for side hustle. Just search for it so that you can find questions related to side hustle. Once you search for it, you can see what is your side hustle and how do you do it. You can see another one, what is a good and easy side hustle. So now what you have to do is that you have to answer this question so that we can get people to read our answer and then click on our affiliate link. You can see this is another question that you can answer. You can see another question that you can answer and many others. There are many questions that you can answer. You can see a whole lot of them. This is another question that you can answer. This is another question that you can answer. So all that you need to do is that you have to provide a very relevant answer so that you can get many people to read your answer. If your answer is not relevant, you are not going to get many people to read it. So make sure you write a correct answer. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use ChatGPT to write an answer for us. For example, we are going to be answering this question. You can see it has a lot of followers. There are about 1,100 people following this question. They need answers. So we are going to provide the answer so that we can get the people to read our answer and then purchase the ebook that we are promoting. So click right here, answer. Once you click on it, you can see the question. What you have to do is that you have to highlight the question. Once you highlight it, copy it. Once you copy it, the next step is that you have to come on ChatGPT. Once you come on ChatGPT, paste the question right here. Once you paste the question, click on send. As you can see, it is writing the answer for you. You can see it is writing the answer. Just wait for it to write an answer for you. As you can see, it has written an answer. Just wait for it. You can see the answer. You can see it is writing an answer. Just wait. It is going to write a very relevant answer for you. You can see it has written a very lengthy answer for you. Now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy the answer. Just highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight it, copy the answer. Once you highlight and copy the answer, the next step is that you have to come back and then paste the answer right here. As you can see, that has been done. See, this is the answer that ChatGPT has written for us. You can see everything. Now what we have to do is that we have to insert our links so that we can get people to read the article on our space. So let's highlight and delete the link right here, highlight and then click right here. Once you click on it, delete the link. As you can see, that has been done. Now what we have to do is that we have to insert the link of our article, the article in our space, so that we can get people to purchase our ebook for us to make money. Do not insert direct links from Gumroad. If you insert direct external links, Quora is not going to promote your answer, so you are not going to be getting many people. In our case, we are going to get the people to read an article in our space so that they can get the product that we are promoting and then purchase it. So you can type something like learn how to start a successful side hustle business from home as a beginner. Just type a call to action like this. Once you type a call to action like this, the next step is that you have to come back on your Quora space. Once you come back on your Quora space, you have to copy the link of the article that you published. You can see this is the article that we published on our space. Now what you have to do is that you have to get a link of this article so that you can insert it in your answer. So scroll down to the bottom of the article. Once you scroll down, you can see these three dotted lines. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see right here, copy link. Click on it. Once you copy the link, you have to come back and then highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click right here. Once you click on it, select link. Once you select link, paste the link to your article right here. Once you paste it, click right here, add. As you can see, that has been done. Now when people click right here, they're going to be directed to your space and they can read it and then purchase the ebook for you to make money. Do not insert the link of your ebook from Gumroad on this call to action. If you do, you are not going to be getting many people to read your answer. Quora wants internal links, so if you insert external links, they are not going to promote your answer. So make sure you insert the link of your article. Do not insert the link of your product. Once you insert the link of your article, the next step is that you have to click right here, post. Once you click on post, you can see your answer is now live on Quora. Many people are going to find this answer. Once they see it, they can be able to read. Once they read, at the bottom of it, there is a call to action. You can see it right here. What they have to do is that they have to click right here. Once they click on it, they are going to be directed to your space. You can see they are going to be directed to your space and you can see this article. Once they come on your space, there are call to action. They can click right here. Once they click on it, they can find the ebook and then make a purchase. You can see this is the image of the ebook. So when they click right here, they are going to be directed to Gumroad where they can purchase the book for you to make money. You can see this is the ebook. So all that they need to do is that they have to click right here. I want this. Once they click on I want this, they can make the payment for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on answering questions on Quora related to the book that you are promoting or the online courses that you are promoting. Make sure you answer as many questions as you want. You can answer 5 questions per day so that you can get many people to purchase the digital product that you are selling for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.